best of convenient cop, drivers busted by police, instant karma cop, justice clip. So let's get started. Just some people instant karma for his speeder.
She's gonna go get that truck! Yes! Karma, baby!
Go get him!
Instant karma. Submariner caught a cop pulling over. A idiot is speeding in a school zone. Instant karma for reckless Mercedes driver.
Go!
Driver wouldn't turn in a left turn only lane and this happened. Just to set up a submariner. Dashcam a few days ago hints the overreaction.
Oh! Yo! Dashcam! Dashcam! Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
I love that!
Oh.
Impatient driver illegally uses shoulder as a lane and gets caught. White car with New York plates run red light past PPSO deputy.
New York!
You said that at a red light!
W105 FWY traffic jam cars driving on the shoulder get pulled over. Instant karma. Secure your loads. Didn't think it was that bad. Cop disagreed. He did cause the submariner to break when he pulled out, so it was technically too close. The man decides to do bike stunts illegally on the road. The cop catches him.
And he pulled him over! Ha ha ha!
Submariner had to decelerate quickly. The cop was there to quickly pull him over. This was on the I-19 West in Massachusetts. The grey VW was laying on his horn until the moment the blue lights came on and flipped the part out of the window when he passed the cop in the breakdown lane. Car turns left on a right turn, only lane at a stop. Convenient cop makes a timely visit to this dual turn lane dunes. Idiot of the year nearly takes a submitter out and gets instant justice. Dodgy Challenger driving aggressive and fast gets busted by motorcycle cop. This is why you never roll through a red light while turning right, because you may never know who might be behind you. Instant karma today, guy failed his arms like he did not do anything wrong. At first, I thought he was going after submitter, but then I realized he was trying to squeeze in between submitter and the car in front. This black SUV decides to take a dangerous and illegal U-turn. This is a pure instant karma.